Cyclife is an EDF Group platform which can support nuclear decommissioning projects and waste management needs. Its expertise has been built up on dismantling different reactor technologies and providing waste management solutions from transportation to disposal or recycling through off-site treatment solutions. We at Cyclife aim to be your strategic partner in implementing waste-led decommissioning that shortens project schedules, improves cost effectiveness, and optimizes treatment options and waste disposal capacity. Let's see an example with the decommissioning of a pressurized water reactor. Long before the final shutdown of the reactor, strategic studies are the core of the planning of a successful project. Cyclife can assist in overall project planning and related studies, starting with building a meticulous waste inventory and optimized waste routes associated that form the backbone of any decommissioning strategy. Whilst preparing the future site works, we can also advise you in downsizing and simplifying the support systems. In the preparation phase, Cyclife can design in-situ workshops or provide mobile waste solutions like Mercure to condition residual wastes such as spent resins produced by decontamination. Cyclife has also developed Humis, a mobile unit dedicated to safe inspection and reconditioning of legacy wastes stored at site. Our unique, multidisciplinary expertise at Cyclife enables to offer to our customers waste routine securing, planning, and cost optimization. Inside the reactor building, the priority is to address the primary circuits. We favor full system decontamination as a preparatory operation because it eases radio protection during dismantling and allows higher rate of waste recycling later on. Cyclife and its partners offer the necessary technologies for decontamination of nuclear systems. The experience accumulated in supporting EDF decommissioning projects ensures Cyclife to propose an integrated approach for the dismantling of the primary circuit by starting with reactor vessel and its internal components. On- and off-site cutting technologies, wet and dry, water filtration, ventilation, waste treatment, and conditioning are considered simultaneously. The integrated waste-led decommissioning approach makes it possible to select and implement the best possible cutting plan and an optimized scenario in terms of schedule and cost of waste disposal. Cyclife has also developed an expertise in the dismantling of activated or contaminated concrete structures such as biological shields. Cyclife recommends to extract steam generators from the reactor building for later treatments, which can be done in Cyclife's dedicated off-site facilities across Europe or in temporary workshops in situ depending on the chosen scenario. Deplanting, transport and shipping for off-site treatment of components should be advocated for steam generators and other large components including racks, pressurizers, heat exchangers or the turbined components of a boiling water reactor. In the case of a boiling water reactor, the dismantling sequence commences with the dismantling of low-risk items and finally the contaminated items, reducing the risk of cross-contamination. The turbine is dismantled at first to liberate some space for sorting and packing. The general sequence is as follows. First, preparatory work. Second, generator. Third, low-pressure turbine. Fourth, high-pressure turbine. Fifth, components. Sixth, the condenser tube could be shipped as bundle. Seventh, reheaters, preheaters, and eventually valves and pipework. Deplanting, transport and shipping of large components is the preferred option for all large items, such as low and high pressure turbines, heat exchangers. The exception would be the condenser unit, which is considered to be a large complex item to be shipped in one piece. By combining its engineering, project management skills, local blue-collar partners, and waste treatment capacities, Cyclife offers one-stop solutions for the dismantling of contaminated nuclear systems such as turbine hall, nuclear annexes, or spent fuel pools. Waste volume reduction has a factor of 10 to 15 through the treatment in our facilities. Cyclife offers turnkey solutions, starting with organising multimodal transport, waste treatment through our nuclear licensed facilities, and conditioning the secondary waste for disposal. Upon prior investigation, decontamination operations of the large components can be performed, for example, by blasting. Cyclife can carry out this decontamination directly on site, in dedicated workshops or in its own facilities. Concerning steam generators, Cyclife has unique expertise in the treatment of the primary and secondary components, cutting and tube removal. Metallic material is segmented, decontaminated, possibly melted, inspected, and characterized for clearance. Within these options, melting allows further decontamination and a significant volume reduction of the waste, and thereby reducing the disposal costs. The metal can then be released to recycling according to local regulations, and secondary wastes will be safely conditioned for disposal, along with any metals that might not meet specific recycling criteria, if any. Metal treatment services are also available for waste from the maintenance or upgrade operation of nuclear facilities, avoiding on-site interim storage. Cyclife also operates incineration facilities, enabling the treatment of combustible wastes generated by the civil nuclear sites in operation or during decommissioning. Incineration leads to significant gains in terms of size reduction and elimination of organics that may be restricted for disposal. Dismantling encompasses the management of large volumes of that are potentially suitable for free release, negating the need for treatments. At Cyclife, we can also support you in creating value by correctly sorting and segregating large volumes of waste, such as waste produced during dismantling. By choosing Cyclife, you will find a strategic partner with a one-stop and customizable solution including project planning and management engineering, dismantling works, and waste management and treatment ready for final disposal. This will help you meet delays and budget targets. Contact Cyclife for comprehensive support on your journey through wasted decommissioning.